The global biscuit market is booming, and the market size will exceed $100 billion in 2023. Healthy, personalized, and interesting consumption trends are leading the industry to new heights. But in the face of market competition, is your production line efficient enough? Presumably, you are also facing these challenges. Inefficient production methods cannot flexibly respond to market changes. High maintenance costs continue to compress profit margins. Unstable product quality. How to ensure consumer satisfaction? Jalguk, an industry-leading biscuit processing solution expert, relies on the dual-wheel drive of technology plus service to innovatively launch the multi-product co-line intelligent production solution to help companies break through efficiency bottlenecks, reduce costs, and achieve product innovation. Efficient integrated production. From raw material pre-treatment, dough preparation, forming, baking, boil spraying, cooling, to packaging, precise control of each link ensures efficient and stable production. Suitable for different biscuit categories: hard biscuits, rolling dough sheet, roller cutting forming, cookies, extrusion forming, soft biscuits, roller printing forming. One machine with multiple functions, flexible switching compatible with the production of various biscuits such as crackers, hard biscuits, sandwich biscuits, cookies, etc., and the changeover time is shortened by 70%. Modular design, flexible combination forming, baking, spraying can be freely matched, one line equal to n lines. Precise temperature control, stable quality intelligent tunnel baking, to ensure that every biscuit has excellent color, aroma and taste. Intelligent embossing, ultimate craftsmanship 0.1 mm high precision pattern customization, making the product more competitive in the market. The 5,000 square meters demonstration factory is open for visits, witnessing the daily production of 200,000 boxes of biscuits. Visual data dashboard, real-time monitoring of energy consumption and yield rate. Startup brands can quickly trial produce and verify the market at low cost. Large food factories concentrated production of multiple categories, improving overall efficiency by 40%. OEM companies flexible order acceptance, covering everything from children's cartoon biscuits to high-end souvenir gift boxes. Changeover can be completed in as fast as 25 minutes, reducing labor costs by 50%. Equipment utilization rate is increased to 90%, and the investment return cycle is 6 to 18 months. Intelligent quality control system, with a yield rate of up to 99.9%, reducing losses by more than 1 million per year. Jalguk provides full process services from demand communication to after-sales support, with 7 days a week, 24 hours a day global response to ensure that the equipment is always running in the best condition. It has provided processing solutions for nearly 100 companies around the world, and has won wide acclaim from customers with reliable technology, equipment and enthusiastic service. Innovative intelligent manufacturing, empowering the future. Jalguk makes food production simpler and safer, helping your company to reach new heights.